Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and I'm so happy to be back with another video after a long break. I couldn't make any videos because I was so busy with my own work, so I couldn't make any videos, but I will try my best to work on it as well. And some of you have requested me to sing some cover song as well, but I am not able to do it, but I will make sure that I will also work on that and upload it. So yeah, today in this video I also wanted to share with you about some of my experiences, but before going to that, I just want to sing a song for all of us, a very short song. So I hope you will enjoy this song. So without any further delay, let's get started. I can feel the love in my heart. Your amazing grace makes me whole. Lord, your mercy flows like a river wide. I love the way that you love. I can wait to magnify your name. Lord, your name is on the higher ground. Come, Jesus, be a part of me. I'll do anything for you. Now I'm so secure in your arms. By your lovely arms you embrace me. I am here for you, gracious Lord, to sing with you there in paradise. I can wait to magnify your name. Lord, your name is on the higher ground. Come, Jesus, be a part of me. I'll do anything for you. So guys, that's the song I wanted to sing. Thank you so much for listening to it. I hope you have enjoyed it. So coming back to the main point that I wanted to share with you today is I wanted to share with you about a ministry, and this ministry is a very popular and well known in India as well as all over the world. And I'm pretty sure that every one of you might have heard about this ministry, and some of you might be a part of this ministry as well, but I'm sharing this especially to those who do not know about this ministry. I want to share with you about my experiences, how much I am blessed being a part of this ministry. So to let you know that this is not at all a promotional video, but it's just that I want to share with you so that you can be a part of this ministry and experience the blessing of God in your life. So this ministry is all about Jesus Calls Ministry. I received this 2 magazine last week. You can even get it in bookstore at Rs21, but for this I have received this for free directly from the Jesus Calls Ministry. I'm so excited to go through this magazine and know more about God, and there are lots of testimonies and words of encouragement in this magazine. So I'm so excited to read this. So how I started my journey being a partner of Jesus Calls Ministry is 2 years back. I started watching their videos in YouTube channel, and their sermons helped me a lot in my spiritual journey, and every time I watched their videos I was immensely blessed. So later I found out that we can even become a partner in this ministry. So I found out that we can send a prayer request, we can be a partner to this ministry. So I enrolled myself in Young Partners Plan, and the Lord has been so faithful to me. So ever since I started sending my prayer requests, my tithes, offerings, and donation time to time in their ministry, the Lord has been blessing me a lot. God is opening doors for me in my life. Exactly how the Lord has revealed about my life through them. And I'm so happy being a part of this ministry. I am experiencing so much love and blessing in my life. So I also request you and encourage you to go through their website and be a part of this ministry, because keeping in touch with some ministry really helps us a lot. So today I also wanted to share with you about some opportunity they have given us so that we can be a part of this ministry and serve the Lord at our own place, at our own time. So the first one is about prayer intercessor, especially to those people who have the gift of prayer. You can enroll yourself. Every one of us, we can pray, but there are some God has blessed them with the gift of prayer. So you can enroll yourself here and you can start praying for people who are in need. So Jesus Calls Ministry is offering us an opportunity to become a volunteer prayer intercessor. You can join to pray for the people from your home at your own time. But for this, you have to enroll yourself at Jesus Calls Partner Care. I'll be giving the information in the video here. So you can register yourself at volunteer@jesuscalls.org, and you will be given required training as well. So there are a lot of testimonies in this magazine that says that many people, they were going through a lot of hard times in their life, but ever since they enrolled themselves at Jesus Calls Partner Care for prayer intercessor, many of them, they have received deliverance and breakthrough in their life. That's what they have testified in this magazine. So the next one is Young Partners Plan, and in this Partners Plan, they are giving the opportunity to the young people to become a blessing to millions of broken-hearted people, abounding in heavenly blessings, according to Luke chapter 6 verse 38. So in this plan, if you are already married and you have your children, you can always enroll your child in this Partners Plan so that they will become a blessing to millions of broken-hearted people. All the young people watching this video, you can always enroll yourself in this plan. Here they are giving the opportunity to the young people to be a blessing to many people. So you can send your donation and offering if you are willing to help the poor people and broken-hearted people. So by becoming a partner to this plan, the prayer intercessor at the prayer tower will be praying for you once every day, mentioning your name particularly, to be blessed with wisdom and divine protection, as well as prosperous future in your life, according to 1 Chronicles chapter 4 verse 10. And they will be praying for you on your birthday, and they will be sending greetings, certificate, and personalized prayers at Partners Meeting by Dr. Paul Tinakaran. So guys, if you want to enroll yourself in this ministry, please check out the details given in this video and be a part of this ministry. I am pretty sure that you are going to be blessed. And if you are willing to send your offerings and donation and become a blessing to millions of broken-hearted people, you can always send your offering, because I have tried sending my offerings and donation. I just want to let you know that everything is secured, and they make sure that they send us email when they received the offering and donation, so there is nothing to worry about. So please do visit this channel, Jesus Calls channel in YouTube, and as well as their website, enroll yourself and experience the blessing of God in your life today. So that's all I want to share with you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.